Do I have to get the little ones or the big ones? Oh, there he is, 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 there he is. In case it stops raining, we have this. Got a crown just in case. Oh, shit! $72 damage. Okay, we're doing the good damage. What's he doing? 57 damage? Why is it all of a sudden 57? Okay, we're not doing that at the moment. It's currently broken. Oh, okay, he's stuck. He's stuck. Oh no, he's not stuck. $57? Why the fuck? Okay, I gotta watch what he's doing. So it's not like the other werepigs. Shit. I can do 4 attacks easy. Okay, so the fence helps me. He's got a weapon. Last time he broke it by attacking... If he attacks these stuff... Oh shit, what'd he break? He broke one of my fucking armors? We're good? Oh shit, okay. It's kind of awkward. I don't know how to read him. I should be attacking now, shouldn't I? Doesn't do a lot of damage. I'm trying to bait a swing, but he just won't fucking swing. It's like he wants to wait until he knows he can attack. Okay, there we go. Okay, I gotta go in. I think I just have to attack and then dodge when he's swinging. No, that's not gonna work. Oh my god. He does a lot of damage if he's breaking my log suits that quick. It stopped raining. I can attack 4 times. Okay, is he gonna swing if I just keep doing this? Sanity goes brr. Yeah. I should have brought a Bee Queen helmet. Okay, he's not gonna swing. Okay, that was 4 swings. I could have gone 5, I reckon. That hurts a lot. I don't know how to avoid these attacks. I forgot to save, by the way, so whenever we reset, we're probably gonna have to go fucking chop wood again. How do I dodge it? I don't know how to dodge. I don't know why the fight started and he was taking... I've lost my armor. He was taking 72 damage from this and then he went down to 57. Why did that happen? Why was he wet and then he wasn't wet when it was still raining? It's so strange. I don't know what to do. It's big damage, bro. Bit of lag too, by the way. Oh, I really want to heal, but I can't heal now. Fuck. Okay, let's use this opportune moment. Oh, my weapon broke. Fuck. Even through the fence? Okay. Fuck. Okay, we have to reset. Do I understand how to block him? No, not really. I should have saved before we started the fight. I totally forgot. I'm confused about the damage. Why did we go from doing 72 to 50 when it was still raining? Sanity goes burr, fight plus dark sword, insanely faster sanity goes down, he's not wet anymore. Well, now it stopped raining, but yeah. Spin right around, baby, right round, yeah. Alright, boys, come on. Let's just try again. Oh, shit, we're still in the fight? What do I have? I'm on the last... Oh, and actually, I've got I've got this shield as well. Ugh, man. There's like a glitchy lag whenever there's like wetness around or some shit. I'm gonna reset 2 days. Should I keep resetting there or should I reset 2 days? Because I feel like we should reset to when we actually had armor, not just an 8% piece. I do have the shield, I totally forgot about that. Hammer down, what's up, dude? He has armor. Yeah, he... Oh, yeah. Maybe we were attacking him before where he didn't have armor. And then we were attacking him where he does have armor. Or maybe he put on some armor. It's so hard to block. Actually, no, let's do this. That was 5 attacks. I didn't go for 6. Here we go. Shit. Oh, what? Whoa! Come on, boys. You can actually dodge the swing. We got this, boys. We got this. Even if I tank it right now. We got this, boys. Is he still alive or is he dead? Examine wet ScrappyWerePig. Sights improvement. GG. We, for the most part, freaking tanked it. But once I started using the walls outside, I felt like that was the intended way of doing the fight. And there was one time right here near the end of the fight that we actually dodged one of his swings, and we don't have 3 speed sockets. I think this fight would be one of the few that would have actually been a lot easier if I had all 3 of my fucking speed sockets, because he swings so quickly. What is that? Oh, that's a hat? I've never seen these shit before. Examine. You were built for greatness. Alright, boys. We've got the broken Wobot. Automatocanic. He drops a little bit of meat. How do we... We repaired it, boys. This is a drop to activate the Wobot. Okay, let's go. Let's go and activate the Wobot then. Is he gone to work? Does he know where Scrap goes? Hopefully he doesn't go to my pile of items over here and try and put those away. That would be very... He's going through my chests though. He's definitely doing something, that's for sure. Those are gonna expire now anyways. Scrappy... What is this Scrappy helmet for? Lurk. Okay, yeast. Alright, let's check it out. What's he doing around here then? I look like a fucking wizard, man. Where'd he go? Oh shit, look at this! Ah! He's automatically farming the twiggy trees! The twiggy trees drop saplings, and he goes and picks it up.